Architects Administration by Luke Rohr. What should the GC's project manager do to resolve the issue? A meeting should be called between the GC, owner, and architect to first try and solve the problems with the architect. The GC's project manager should file a formal complaint stating that the architect is not providing the necessary answers and responses to questions in writing in a timely manner. In order to protect our contract, they should hire an attorney to bring the problem to a head. The contractor needs to document everything in writing, making sure that all correspondence is fully documented and received by all parties. What should the school district have done to prevent this from happening? The school district could have had a construction management company do a constructability review on the documents before the project went out to bid. The school district should also check out the references of the architect to see if they have satisfactorily completed other projects. The school district could have had their solicitor or construction attorney review the contract for discrepancies and the responsibilities of the architect. What risks do the general contractor incur if the situation is left unchecked? If the general contractor continues to work without proper documentation from the architect and or owner, he is continuing at his own risk and could be liable for any and all work that is not being documented. The general contractor will incur legal expenses if there are problems that could not be resolved. The general contractor would then try to pass these legal expenses onto the architect and the owner. Without the proper answers and direction, the contractor will probably not be able to meet the project's completion date. What risks do the school district incur if the situation is left unchecked? The school district could incur legal expenses from the general contractor on extras not being documented in the plans and specifications. The school district may also incur costs from the general contractor for his general conditions and labor if the contractor needs to extend the completion date from the lack of timely answers and direction. They could also incur legal costs for legal representation, for mediation and or court costs. What risks is the architectural firm exposed to? The architectural firm has opened themselves up to many legal costs from the general contractor and the school district by their lack of documentation and the lack of on-site representation.